how to create your own newsletters on HubSpot. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create your own newsletters on HubSpot. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now, newsletters are a very useful marketing tool to get across your message and to attract more customers, potential leads. Now, the way you do this in HubSpot is by going and creating your own emails and then sending them to your contacts. You also do have a couple of other options. However, they are paid for. You can create your own campaign. However, that is not as well. It's not that similar to a newsletter, and newsletters are literally just emails you send to many contacts. Now, the way that you create these emails is by going into the marketing tab, going into email, and then here you can create your own email. Now, click create an email. You can create a regular one, a blog, which could be useful as a newsletter as well. However, I'll stick with the light regular one. And you can also create automated ones. However, they are locked behind a paywall. Now, once I select regular, I'll just go click next. And here you can select whichever one email that you would like. You can select a couple of templates. However, I find the newsletter templates good. You can use the newsletter one or two templates. However, this one is paid for. You can also start from scratch if you want to. However, I find it easier to start from a template. So just to choose the template, and here you can start editing your template. I'll just say that this is my final version just to expedite the process. You can also manage the settings first and then go to send or schedule to select your recipients. Now I'll select these two, which are just test recipients. And then you can also set up recipients you don't want to send to. And you can check this off to not send to unengaged contacts. Then under automation, you can automate the process if you want. However, that is a pay for feature as well. And once you're done, click on review and send. And that's it. So that's how you can create your own newsletters on HubSpot. And that's all for this video.